Hello and welcome to the TES Secondary Maths Resource of the Week number 7 with me, Craig Barton. Now I've got a delightful Year 13 class this year and I am just teaching them the joys of Core 3 mathematics. And I've taught Core 3 for quite a few years now, but to be honest with you, I'm getting a bit sick of my notes. I've got them all on PowerPoint, I've got them all laid out, and I just kind of tweak them every year. But this year I sat down over the summer and thought, right, I'm going to revamp these. And I thought a good place to start would be to have a look what's already out there. So I had a little look through the TES and I couldn't believe my eyes when I stumbled upon this. Maths Core 3 set of PowerPoint lessons. I mean, the title hooked me in straight away and I crossed my fingers thinking to myself, please let it be the whole course, but in no way thinking it would be. But yes, here it is, uploaded incredibly generously by Owen 134866. It is a PowerPoint on every single topic and chapter from Edexcel's Core 3. Now I'll say at this stage that I teach AQA to our students and these are mapped to Edexcel and also to a specific textbook, but as I hope to show you, that doesn't really matter at all. So if I crack open one of these, let's go for transforming graphs. I just love the way these are laid out. As I say, there they are mapped for the textbook, but that doesn't really matter. You can pretty quickly figure out what each exercise is on. So this one is on the transformations of the modulus function. And the PowerPoints are just beautifully laid out. They're animated, so each of these notes appears step by step. And you just get lovely diagrams and work solutions with notes. Now, for me, this is how TES resources should be used. I'd never advise anybody, and I say this all the time to our NQTs and PGC students, to go onto the TES, download a PowerPoint and just use it straight away in the classroom, because this has been designed by Owen for his particular teaching style and for his students. So they're here to be adapted, to be edited and built in with other resources. So when I teach the modulus, I'm going to fuse it with a little bit of autograph. So I'll fire up an autograph page and I'll get the students to predict what something like the modulus of x plus 2 is going to look like, get them to come up and mark points on, get it a bit more dynamic. But whilst I've got this, I've also got Owen's notes and his examples to fall back on, and I can build them into my own PowerPoint to fit my own style and the needs of my kids. And it's just so handy just to have something already laid out for you to work on, and especially if you've never taught Core 3 before, or like me, you're looking to do a change on it. It's just absolutely phenomenal stuff. I'll just show you very quickly another one as well. This is amazing on differentiation. It's 50 slides worth, and it takes you step by step through the chain rule and with differentiated examples. Then you get the product rule, then you get the quotient rule. And I mean, the amount of time that must have gone to type all those things in step by step with handy notes is just fantastic. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do as well as using them in my own lessons. I'm going to email these out to the students as well, because there's some beautifully worked solutions here, work through notes with lovely little hints and guides. And as I say, I can't stress this enough, it covers the entire Core 3 syllabus. And if you didn't think life could get any better than that, Owen's only gone and done the same thing for Core 4 as well. So be sure to check out his profile and just scan through some of his other resources, because there's some absolutely brilliant stuff there. So there you go, an entire set of Core 3 and Core 4 PowerPoints to add some real structure and clarity to any A2 pure teaching course. So I hope that was useful. If you've got any thoughts, or even if you just want to say thank you to Owen, please share them below, just below this video, and I'll be back with a fresh resource of the week next week. Bye for now.